We're going to review the top 5 best biscuit joiners, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Porter Cable 557 Plate Joiner. A 7-amp motor that runs at 10,000 RPM, a fence that can tilt between 0 and 135 degrees, and a 4-inch blade that allows regular, precision biscuit cutting. This is what you get with this device from Porter Cable. It also has a fence with a positive stop at 90 degrees and a dust bag, chip deflector, centering plate, and wrench. This biscuit joiner comes with 7 different cutting settings which make it quite flexible. Not to mention the fact that you can adapt it for the 2-inch blade, increasing its versatility. Number 2. Makita XJP03Z Best Cordless Biscuit Joiner. There was once a time when cordless devices were thought of as inferior and underpowered. However, with its 18-volt lithium-ion battery, this Makita biscuit joiner defies all these notions and delivers extreme performance and high power while maintaining maneuverability and flexibility. This is a bare tool and you will have to buy in the battery and charger separately, but that's pretty much the only drawback of this device. Number 3. Lamello Classic X100 1600. Powered by a 780-watt motor that can run at 10,000 RPM, this biscuit joiner by Lamello will meet the demands of professionals as well as hobbyists. Unsurprisingly, this powerful motor, with its 4-inch blade, can cut through even the most tough hardwoods. Indeed, in some circles, this tool is also known as the Cadillac of biscuit joiners. The fencing has 12 different depth stops which will allow you to use any biscuit you find without having to change the tool. Number 4. Makita PJ7000 Makita PJ7000. With a 5.6 amp motor and 11,000 RPM, the Makita biscuit joiner is an ergonomic device. It features a large top grip handle, which makes it easy to transport and carry it. It is also quite lightweight at just 6.5 pounds, and despite being so powerful, its motor is small and light as well. All these features make it a compact yet powerful machine, perfect for the off-traveler. Number 5. VonHaus 8.5 amp Plate Joiner. A 4-inch blade, a motor with 8.5 amp power and a cutting speed of 10,000 RPM, and all of this, packed in a 7.4 pounds package. This is what the VonHaus plate joiner has to offer you. Besides all this, it also comes with a dust bag which will make the cleanup after each project easier, and an unobstructed view of the blade which makes it extremely easy to work with this device.